Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to replace the toner cartridge of your Brother printer, and this particular model is the HL L2395DW, but it should be a similar process no matter which Brother printer that you have. So the first thing we want to do is take out the old toner, and we can do that by opening up the front of our Brother printer, and you can see we have our toner right here, and then we can pull out this tray. And what I'm going to do now is take this Brother toner cartridge out of here by pulling down this green tab and then sliding this out. Now taking my new toner cartridge, and it says I need to remove this orange plastic piece here, so I'm going to slide this off. And then I'm going to slide this new toner cartridge into place and then push it down and make sure it snaps in, and you'll hear this little green lever here snap into place once you push it all the way in. Now, if you'd like to get a toner cartridge that's a little bit cheaper than the Brother branded ones, I'll have a link posted to this one down in the description. It had good reviews on Amazon at a considerably lower price. But once we have our new toner set in the tray, we're going to put this back into the printer. Now, this particular toner cartridge says to shake it back and forth a few times, and that's to evenly distribute the toner powder that's on the inside. So after doing that, we should be good. And also we want to clean the Corona wire by sliding this green slider back and forth a handful of times before putting this tray back into our printer. So we can, like I said, do this a handful of times. And now we should be good to go to slide this right back in to the printer. And once you have it slid all the way in, then we can close the front of the printer back up. And then your printer is just going to go through a check to make sure that you now have your new toner cartridge in place and you have that ink ready to use. And for me, I had a backlog of things that needed to be printed, so that's why it's printing all of those documents now. But you should be good to go with your printer operational. And I hope this quick tutorial was helpful going over how to replace the toner cartridge in your Brother printer. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.